If you are finding a best screen recorder on your Windows, it's Game Bar provided by Microsoft Corporation, only available on Windows. You can't record Windows Desktop or File Explorer features, so you can only record one app at a time. First, click on Start, Settings, Gaming. Add your own shortcuts or use shortcuts provided by Windows. For recording videos, click on Captures. You need to set up record in the background while I am playing a game. Keep this on. Record the last should be 10 minutes. Keep these two options on and keep the maximum recording length to 4 hours. Keep this record audio when I am record a game. Keep this on. If you are not gaming, keep this off. If you want to use the mic, so you need to keep this on. Audio quality should be best. We should be 92 kbps. Don't keep 128 kbps. It's recommended. All use for unbest video. Keep this on if you want to not record game audio only. So first, keep this frame rate 30 fps. Video frame rate. Video quality should be high. If you want to capture your mouse cursor, you can. If you don't want to capture the mouse cursor, you click unselect. Keep this option on gaming game mode to record best quality. So let's open an app to record on it because you can't record on Windows Desktop or File Explorer. Windows plus G. Click on Start Recording on the blank screen. Recording starts automatically. I am opening YouTube to record the YouTube only for viewing, not the main video. I'm clicking on Stop Recording. Video records automatically. To view this, you need to go to File Explorer, Videos, Captures. So first I have recorded this one. Which one I have recorded? The third one, because I've recorded many videos from game, but that's only. See, I have opened YouTube. It's opening here. See. Bye for now. Please like and subscribe our video for more videos of solving problems. Bye bye.